Okay, Carter, what we're going to be doing today is dividing decimals. Now, when you take a decimal and you divide by another decimal, you have to take that decimal on the outside and move the decimal to the right that many times. And if you do that to the outside, you have to do that to the inside. That tells you exactly where your decimal point goes in this problem. Now, the reason why we do that is because we have to divide by a whole number. Okay? Now we just do division like we did before. So 4 can't go into 1, so we won't put a number there, but 4 can go into 12 3 times. So we do a 3 times 4 is 12. We subtract. There's a remainder of 0, but then we bring down the other numbers so that we can divide out the whole thing. Okay? So 4 goes into 5 one time, so we put a 1 there. 1 times 4 is 4, and we subtract. Okay? So 1, 5, and 0. Okay? Then we look at the 4 and we say, oh, well, it can't go into 1, but then 4 can go into 15 3 times, so we put a 3 there. 3 times 4 is 12. I subtract 12, that gives me 30. Then I look at this and I say, well, 4 can't go into 3, but it can go into 30. Let's see, how many times? 7 times. 7 times will give me 7 times 4, which is 28. And then I subtract. That gives me 2 left over. Now, there's no more numbers left, but I can bring down a 0 and continue my dividing. Well, 4 can go into 20. How many times? 5 times. So 5 times 4 is 20, and we have a remainder in 0, and that's how you divide decimals.
I don't know what you're talking about.